Here is a very powerful simulation on Ohm's law. Now, what you're looking at is an electric circuit playground, which means that you can build your own circuit of your choice. Now, since the simulation is Ohm's law, you have a simple circuit already available here. We're going to go ahead and build the circuit. I'm going to show you how simple it is to build a circuit on Monkey Science. I'm going to keep the battery eliminator here, maybe a voltmeter here. Let's keep it here and there. A sample wire, perhaps here, a rheostat, and a circuit. Let's take a closer look at what is what. This is the voltmeter, so we're going to connect it in parallel to the sample wire, and let's begin. So we're going to click on one point and click on the other point, and that's it. Your circuit is built. And similarly, I'm going to go ahead and do this, zoom out a bit, set this in this direction, and we are good to go. There we are. Here, two, here. Done. Our circuit is almost complete. Right? Now we have the voltmeter. Let's connect that also in parallel. And the circuit is done. Now I'm going to open our controls and I'm going to show you how best to use Ohm's law in the classroom. Now, since the circuit is already done, we probably won't need it. So I'm going to minimize it and leave it in the corner. And we can access this whenever required. You can also toggle this view from clicking on this, hide it or make it visible, and leave it in the corner when not required. This is what we call as a watch window. Now, every time we have a circuit completed out here, I can either toggle the circuit from two ways. One, I can click on it and all the controls responsible for the battery eliminator will pop out into your control panel. I can switch on the control from here, or I can toggle it from the playground itself. I can switch it on there and increase the voltage accordingly. And you'll see that the slider from here also will keep controlling there. Now, once I've done it, we see that a circuit is already completed, the bulb is glowing, and all the components of the circuit will behave like in real life. For example, if I click on the key will pop out and the circuit is broken. I can close the key and the circuit is closed once again. Now, the rheostat is there, and once I click on the rheostat slider will also pop out into your control panel. So I could control the rheostat panel, rheostat from here, or I could come to do it in the playground itself. Now we're going to hit on keep on some value. I'm going to hit record value, and we'll see that the current and the voltage readings have been recorded according to the current readings of the circuit. So we are so far at, we're supplying a battery voltage of 9 volt, and these are the current passing through the sample wire. Next, I could increase the voltage much higher or remove the rheostat and again hit a record button. I can move the rheostat down here, again hit a record button, and you'll notice our Ohm's law circuit is already completed. Experiment is already done. Each of your readings that you hit record on are already recorded into the tabular column, and a graph is plotted showing that the Ohm's law straight line is plotted. That means voltage is directly proportional to current. That's it.